Savings accounts are fine, but investing, that's where the real growth happens. Here are 6 ways to dive in. 1. Retirement plan. Start with a tax advantage account for long-term growth. 401ks are employer-sponsored with pre-tax contributions, tax-free growth, and often a match. Nonprofit workers may have a 403b. No plan at work? You could open an IRA. Traditional IRAs use pre-tax contributions to lower taxable income, but you'll pay later. Roth IRAs use post-tax money, giving you tax-free withdrawals and no required minimum distributions as of 2024. 2. Invest with a robo-advisor. They automate investing and rebalance your portfolio around your goals without a human advisor. 3. Invest in pooled funds. Combine your money with others to buy diverse securities and indexes. Diversify with options like mutual funds, which pool money to invest in diverse securities like stocks and bonds. Just remember, actively managed funds come with higher fees. ETFs. Like mutual funds, they pool money into diverse baskets of securities but trade like stocks, usually with lower fees. And index funds. They track a market index like the S&P 500, are passively managed with lower fees, yet historically match active fund returns. Want even more ways to invest? Be sure to check out Part 2.